Hello and welcome back to The Visible Entrepreneur. Today, I'm going to be taking you a little bit behind the scenes into my business to show you a new software that I've started using called Shift. So I absolutely want you to keep listening. Maybe you can watch this twice or something, but then I definitely recommend hopping over to visibilitywixen.com/blog so you can see a visual of me walking you through it. So without further ado, let's dive in. Okay, so in today's episode, we're going to be covering this software, like I just mentioned, and I am excited to show you how I've utilized this, how I've injected this into my business to make things a little bit more manageable. So here's the honesty of my desktop. I have not cleaned it before this episode. You're seeing everything here. It's a bit messy, but what I want you to pay attention to is this app right here called Shift. As you can hear, my notifications are blowing up, but I wanted you to be able to see what it is I've transitioned to using, because I don't know about you, but I used to have so many tabs open. Oh my gosh. I would open Google Chrome and I usually had two tabs, like two Chromes open, and each had like 20 tabs on it. So it was confusing, it was stressful, and I didn't feel like I had a central hub for everything. And even if you're a GSuite user, I'm sure you can relate to this, because it's like, okay, docs and sheets and email and Asana and Canva and this and that, it just can get to be crazy, right? So even though normally I talk about visibility and publicity, I do like covering business building and business organizational strategies because I think it makes us more productive and gives us more time to submit for press or to jump on a live stream or whatever the case may be. So this is the app right here. When you open it, you're going to see this. You're going to see the home base for your email, and you can do everything you normally do here and segment as you will. You can see that my face is up here on the left, and that means that it's linked to my Google account. I can still do everything I could normally do in Google, as you can see up here with the calendar, the drive. I can click here inside of GSuite and go wherever I need to go. But it's all here on the homepage of Shift, which I think is really exciting. Then what you can do is you can add the apps that you normally use here on the left, kind of like the tabs that you had in your Internet Explorer or Chrome, but it's all in one overhead. So for example, I can click here and go into my Asana. I can click here and go into my Buzzsprout. I can go in here and look at my Calendly, Canva, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Sheets, Voxer, Zoom, Wavve, Slack, and Google Docs. So those are the tabs I've personally added. You can absolutely add more, but I've just found that this has been such a lifesaver for me. And it's not that much money. I think I spent like, I want to say $60, and I think it's once a year. So if you are interested in trying this software out, I will have the link below for you to check out. Would love for you to do that to see if it would be a good fit for your business. But what I love is that everything's all in one place, so I'm not having to have tabs open. The only tabs that I normally use, like you'll see here, is Kajabi, and that's it. So for me, that's huge. And it makes it a lot easier for me to manage everything all in one place. And I really love having the Slack integration, because then I'm able to just, with all the different workspaces that I'm in, because I'm not just managing my team, but I'm doing my train your team with all the different people that I work with. It makes it just all in one place. And then I can go from here to my laptop. It has the same kind of stuff going on. So it makes it really, really easy. So, pardon me, I just wanted to come in and show you this, show you how I'm using it in my business, because I think that this could be a real game changer for you. And if you like being a little techie, getting things a little more streamlined for your business, then this could be the game changer. So this is a really short episode, I know, but I would be so honored if you would take a quick screenshot, share on Insta stories, and let me know what you think of this software. And if you end up getting it, please tell me that too. You may be more savvy than me, so you may find something out and say, hey, Michelle, I just got this and I figured out you could do this, and give me some tips too. I am here and willing to learn. But my hope is that this software will give you some guidance in the days ahead and help you have a more organized workspace and feel more in control of the day-to-day of your business. So with that, I'm going to sign off. Like I said, if you are interested in the software, let me know in the comments below, and I will post that link there so you can go right over there and purchase it. In the meantime, would love to hear your feedback. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next episode.